Okay, so you're now logged in on your dashboard, and let's just go through the steps here. The top here, you can see your total number of badges that you have out of what you're allotted, and the total number of clients that you have versus what you're allotted, and then your package type. And you can change your package at any time. And you have two buttons here for Add Badge and Manage Clients. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Manage Clients right now. And you'll see a list of ones you've already done, and you can very easily add a new client and just fill out the fields here that it asks for. Um, just makes it simple if you're dealing with clients with numerous badges. I'll just go ahead and cancel that for now, and then let's go back to the beginning. All right, let's go through adding a new badge. All right, so you would just go through these steps here, add a new badge, and I'll just go through this demo badge. And if you've added a client already, you can very quickly just select one. So I'll just do this to auto-populate all these fields and save some trouble. Make sure everything looks good. You can select the category, and you can just enter it here. Start typing, then it'll show up as well. And then click Next Step. And then in step 2 is the directory listing step. So it's going to try and find all of your citations for these various sites if you have them. If you don't have them, it won't find them. Every once in a while there may be something crazy where it finds someone else and not yours. So what you can do in that situation is just click this for enter URL manually, and then you would just paste in the URL that you know just from finding it outside of this site. And then you would just select the ones that you want to use either individually, like this, or you can very quickly just go to the top and select all, and then maybe deselect a couple that you don't want to use, and it won't try to select ones that it cannot find a listing. So you don't have to worry about that. And then once you find all the ones you like, you can go ahead and just click Next Step. And then you have three main options here: button mode, full screen mode, and the slider. And the button mode is kind of what you've probably seen, similar tools where it's a little widget that's either slides down or a widget that's just in full screen. And then we have one where you can display a featured review as well. The full screen mode, what this does is it essentially takes over the entire page of your site and makes it a big full screen version where they can just leave a review. So if you wanted to create a page like yourdomain.com/reviews and then add this code for full screen mode, that's what it would do. It would make a big giant full screen reviews page, which some clients like to have. And the slider, I'm sure you've seen these before, where it's on the side of the page, and once you hover over it, it'll pop out. I'll show an example of that real quick on this site. So you can see over here on the top right, I have the slider, and you can put it on the left or the right. I have it on the right for now, and it functions the same as any other of the widgets. All right, so going back to this, we'll just pick button mode for now, and then click Next Step. Then here's where you customize, and this left side here is the live view, so it shows you what this is going to look like when you paste the code into your website. You go to slim mode, which will normally look just like this until you hover over it. So this is a clean look that a lot of people usually go for. And then you can change dark or light depending on your site's theme. You can change the width either via the pixel size or the percentage, so it's up to you however you want to do it. You can choose to show a featured review, and if you do that, then you're going to see this little box here to click on, or link to click on, and you can select a featured review. The site I have inputted right now doesn't have any reviews, but if it did, you'd see numbers appearing here, and then you could click on one of them, and then you would select it. Alright, let's close out of that. You can also use the bad reviews capture form. And what this does is if someone enters that they had a bad review and they fill out their name, they fill out their name, their email, phone number, and their message, and when they click send, that will go to the email that they enter here. All right? And then there's also a thank you gift option where you can set up an autoresponder with GetResponse or Aweber. And what that does is after they leave a positive review, they would come back here, and after they leave the review and they come back to the site, I don't think I have it enabled on this one actually. I'll do it from within here. Let's see. So, okay, so you see now the thank you form appears. So if they fill out their name and their email, they're now going to be in your autoresponder, and the incentive is just that, thank you, gift. We appreciate your feedback. Please claim your free gift. And it's up to you, whatever you want to do with this. But that's usually a nice way to thank your customers for leaving the review, and also adding them to your email list and giving them maybe something, to say thank you. All right. You also have white label options here, so you can upload your own logo if you don't want to use the Easy.Reviews one. And it'll tell you that the optimal size is 165 by 30, and we'll also try to format it if your size is not exact, but you'll do better to upload one at this size. It just makes it a lot easier. You can also customize the header text. So right now, if you look at the widget, you see it says, please let us know about your experience. So you can change that to whatever you want. And same for the footer text if you have this available in your package. You can also make this an anchor text link. So this could be really powerful, especially if you're a marketing company or an SEO company and you have lots of clients. This is a great way to get a very powerful hyperlink, anchor text link to your website, and just increase your backlinks. And obviously, if you're an SEO company, I don't have to tell you the value of what that is. Or you can just remove the footer branding altogether. So completely up to you. For now, I'm just going to use the defaults here. Let's select to use these. And click next. Oops. Okay, so if you select the autoresponder, it's going to ask you to connect. I'm just going to turn it off for now. And let's enter my email here. All right, and then you're going to get this piece of code right here, and you can follow the directions underneath. It's very easy. All you do is click here and then just copy it. And what you'd want to do is you want to paste this little snippet, without editing it, just the way you have it. And you typically want to put it in the header or the footer, just before the last body tag. And if you're not too computer savvy and you're having some trouble with this, what you can do is just click this little link here for install help, and you can fill out this information here and we will help you with it, just to make sure that it's very easy for you to install. When you install it, depending on what you installed, you have this little slider here on my site, which I like, and it's just up to you how you want to use it. Alright, if you have any questions and need help, please use the contact form and we'll do our best to assist you. Thank you.